Guys, we got a 1990 Ford Mustang GT50. Only got 24,000 original miles. And it shows on this car. Look at this thing. It is meant, once you guys see the interior, you'll be like, wow. It's never been driven or only driven to the church and stuff, like very little. So what we did is we took the H-pipe and the secondary cats off and replaced it with two high-flow cats, as you guys can see there. There's the primaries. There's the two secondary high-flows we install. And it comes with already installed on it SLP Loudmouth mufflers, one there and one there. So we said we don't have that style on the channel with the SLP Loudmouth. So I'm like, might as well, with the high-flow cats, might as well get you guys a video out of it. So we did. Then 2.5-inch tailpipes with dumps on each side, as you guys can see. So there's the SLB Loudmouths and the two high-flow cats right there. All right. And there's the dumps right there out the rear end. The sexy 5.0 Mustang GT. That was a thing back in the day. Anyways, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Guys, when I tell you this car is clean, look at that. Look at this thing. Just came off the showroom floor. Really nice, really clean. Wow. Brings you back to the 90s. I like it. So I'll let you guys see that. It's awesome. Nice clean idle on it. Here's sound decibels on idle. 78. Go ahead. It's louder. Yeah, now it's got a pop to it a little bit. Again. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. One more. Go ahead. Hit 105. Again. More. We don't rev it that high.
No, I
Yeah.
said 104.
Yeah. It hit 105 earlier. That's when you first revved it. Again, hit. Tap it. 112, bro. That's crazy. Gotta back it up.
Exactly what I was looking for.
Good. You didn't want too crazy light, you just want a little bit more, right?
Got to be rowdy, not trashy.
Exactly. Look at this body on this thing, guys. All original. Man, that's so good. How clean this car is, guys. Wow. I love it. You can't beat that. So clean. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Reach out to us if you guys need anything or want to just chat. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Mustang GT50. All the way from Texas. We appreciate him coming down. He just moved to Tennessee. He's like, I didn't know you guys were so close. He was only 23 minutes away. So I gotta get something done at Exhaust Addicts. So I told him, we got you, bro. Holler at us. Oh yeah, baby. Beast mode. Out of a 5.0. Sounds amazing. Enjoy it, guys. Beautiful burnout.